Alright, here's installation of the fridge. It's leaking water. The floor is completely dry right now. We'll demonstrate that by using a towel, wiping everything up. You'll see the water connection fine, secure. There's actually no water here. So water connection also dry over there. And then we're going to just run the water from here. As you can kind of see, it's starting, water's coming out. You can see the water there. You'll notice though, it's now leaking from under the fridge. So draining water here. See water? Look under the fridge. What's that? What's all this water coming out right here? Watch that water drip out there. Yeah. It's coming from under the fridge. So you can see, operation-wise, there's no water here. No water over there. It started, I guess it's not even seeping from the back, but it's clearly seeping from the door under this panel. So you got a problem.